项目同时跟公司的大流头。
我是毛磊，来自中国的 ATF BU， 于2000年加入 Exyte。我在
Design Engineers, Design Managers。
我为拥有一支专业企业。
Chào mừng đến với Exyte Vietnam.
Chào mừng đến với Exyte Vietnam. We are one company, one goal, one success. We are excited together.
Biz,
Bir takımız.
one team,
同一个团队。
one team.
Egg Team.
Ein Team.
Jeden Team.
Wir sind ein Team.
We are one company. Kudos der Schweiz. Bonjour la France.
Hello from Ireland. We are all very excited about the one company, one way of working.
One team.
לכל המנהלים בכנס המנהיגות הגלובלית.
ברכות חמות מהצוותים באקסייט ישראל.
אנחנו שמחים להיות חלק מחברה אחת
ומאחלים לכולנו כנס מהנה והצלחה רבה בהמשך הדרך.
We are one company and one team.
כולנו חברה אחת.
We are
all one team.
Total Facility Solutions.
One company, one culture. One team.
One team.
One company means unity. Everybody's got the same vision, and we're all going in the same direction.
One company, to me, means unifying all of our employees as one.
To me, one company means we're all in this together.
One company? Well, for Exyte, one company is definitely the people.
From the finance and accounting team, one company means to us
One company, one culture, one family.
同一个公司，同一样的文化，同一个家庭。
una compañía, una comunidad, una familia.
Une compagnie, une famille et une culture.